Hello guys, it's Downshifting Kiwi here, and this is my other motorbike. It's a 1983 Honda CB400n, and it runs like a dream. It's got a 400cc parallel twin, makes about 43 horsepower back in the day, but I imagine a few of those horses have escaped by now. But it still has plenty of grunt, and it's got quite loud aftermarket pipes, so it sounds pretty good, and I friggin' love it. Much different to my Yamaha TW200, and I reckon it's got some pretty good looks. It's kind of got that naked bike look of that era, sort of like the CB754s and the CB1104 kind of look. I reckon it looks pretty cool. See if my trick works this time. And this motorcycle is still cold, so I'm not going to rev the guts out of it yet. I don't want to blow it up or anything like that, or cause unnecessary wear. Be careful at this intersection, it's pretty busy. It's got a 6-speed gearbox, and when I'm going 100 k's an hour in 6th gear, I'm just over 5,000 RPM, which is pretty nice. Compare that to a Kawasaki 250 Ninja. I'm pretty sure they're like going to be going at 7,000 RPM at 100 k's an hour. So it's much nicer to have a bit more displacement and keep those RPMs down low, in my opinion anyway. And it's got a beeper on the indicator, so you don't forget to turn it off. That was put on by a previous owner. Says $11.40 on there, but apparently I spent $12. I'm not going to make a fuss about it. Fuck knows what's going on there. They think I'm weird. That's because I am weird. Couldn't hear me, it's pretty strange because that lady charged me $12 and it was $11.40, but I don't care, it could have just been a mistake, and I'm not going to get fussed over 20 cents because I highly doubt she'll be trying to steal 20 cents anyway, so I'll just leave it at that. But she did think I was pretty weird for having a camera on my head. You could see them talking about me as I walked out, which is funny. So I reckon the indicator bleep is pretty good, because I highly doubt I'm gonna leave my indicators on when I'm riding this motorbike, because leaving your indicators on is pretty damn dangerous. So as you can see, I'm cruising at 100 k's an hour right now, and my revs are just over 5,000 RPM, which is pretty nice. It's not over the top. Woo! It's a bit chilly out today. Got that southerly wind blowing and it's pretty chilly. Let's do a bit of a speed test down here. Got up to 130 right there, but I didn't want to go too fast because of that mud and gravel that I'm riding over right now. I didn't want to hit that going too fast. pretty satisfying. I'm getting used to counter steering now. It's pretty weird. You turn the wrong way, you push right to go right, you push left to go left. And once you get used to it, it goes pretty nicely and it's pretty easy to take turns. Nice. I reckon this intersection should be a stop instead of a give way. Cars go fast around this corner, and it's a blind corner, so should be a stop sign. Oh shit, it's starting to rain by Fielding. I don't want to get my GoPro broken because it's not in a waterproof case.